This is the Artec Micro, and it's specialized for smaller objects.
What we're doing with Fort Ticonderoga is that they're interested in having some of their objects, some of the artifacts from the site, digitally scanned so we can create 3D models. Some of what they'll be doing is they'll want 3D copies of those artifacts, things that the public can actually handle.
VTSU has a lot of capabilities that we do not. I mean, we have these collections, we have staff that understands them and knows them and wants to make them, accessible to people, but we lack certain technological limitations that, Modern State University can provide.
It's such a new and emerging field. The fact that we can sort of incorporate both this really cutting-edge technology with, old pieces of history is it's such a fascinating and really unique combination.
It's really important when students can get something done, when they can learn a skill that isn't just, kind of in the ether somewhere, but has a practical outlet where the stuff that students are working on now will be experienced by ultimately probably hundreds of thousands of visitors to Fort Ticonderoga. And these objects that they are 3D printing and having available through these exhibitions will be a key part of the visitor experience. So those students can know that what they've done isn't just something that will get shelved in a record book in the school, but will continue to engage people for years.